question number 57 and 58. You're going to be finding the area of just this shaded section. But in order to do that, you kind of have to first find the area of the entire section, or the entire kind of portion of the circle. So I'll start by doing that. The area of the entire portion of the circle should look something like this. This is 90 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees in a circle. The area of a circle is equal to pi times r squared. In this case, the radius is given as 8. Since I know that 8 squared is 64, I'm going to kind of skip a step and just write that this is 64 pi. You can type this directly into your calculator, well, excluding the pi. Don't put the pi in. But I'm going to multiply 90 degrees out of 360 multiplied by 64 would be equal to 16 pi. Now you need to know that this is the entire yellow section. Because it's the entire yellow section, I need to now subtract part. And the part that I need to subtract is just this triangle. Well, I've been finding the area of triangles forever. The area of triangles is 1/2 base times height. In this case, that's 1/2 of 64, or 32 units squared. So my final answer is not bad at all. 16 pi subtract 32. Oh, I should probably label it centimeters squared. Again, the yellow part is the entire fourth of a circle. The red part is just that red triangle. All right, next section. I'm going to do this in a very similar fashion. The downfall is that this one does not give me a height of this triangle, and I know I'm going to need that at some point. But I'll get to that in a second. This is a central angle, so it's 120 degrees. I need 120 out of 360 multiplied by 18 squared is 324 pi. Now hold off on the pi for a second. Type in 120 over 360, and I want that, times 324 gives me 108 pi. So again, that section is the entire, I guess, piece of pizza. And now I need to take off the triangular section. The convenient part is, in order to determine a height here, I have to split the number 120. And the reason I appreciate that is because 120 splits equally into 60 and 60. And that's a special right triangle. In special right triangles, I know the hypotenuse here is 18 because that's given right there. I know that the short leg is half of that, which is 9. And I know that the long leg is √3 times 9. So to find the area of the entire triangle, because remember I have 2, I would have to do 1/2 base times height, which is 1/2 18 √3s. And again, that's just because it's 9 √3 and 9 √3 times 9. So let's see, 1/2 of 18 times 9. 1/2 of 18 times 9 looks like 81 √3. So that's the answer, or that's the area for the red triangles. So my final answer will look like this. 108 pi subtract 81 √3 centimeters squared.